Now we're going to be looking at some passing, some dribbling, and then we're hopefully going to get into matches. Now, we've got paper and pencils to do some data collection and some data analysis. So if I'm watching Ali, 1, 2, 3. How do we hold our hockey stick? Do we hold it in one hand? Do we hold it in two hands? Whatever is your strongest hand, so mine is my right hand, goes in the middle. So my right hand, which is my strongest hand, will go in the middle. My left hand will go at the top. What you're going to data collect now is how many times they pass the ball with the correct grip. Now it has to be in the middle. If it's here, that's not the correct grip, and that's not a successful pass. If it's down here, that's not the correct grip. It has to be in the middle and one hand at the top. Anything other than this, you don't put a mark on. Now a successful pass involves, it involves controlling it, passing it to the player. So controlling it, and then passing it to the player. That is one successful pass. Passes before. Then when we started looking at technique, you got 16. So that's the difference of how many? 5. What we need to do is, we need to now make an order of who made the most successful passes. So you need to make a list. Do number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you need to make a list of how many or who was the most successful at passing with the correct grip. So look back over your data. I need to know who had the most successful passes. Then, who had most successful passes with the correct grip. Get with your group, talk about it, create this list for me. What we're now going to do is we're going to look at some dribbling, right? So, what you have to do in your team, you have to get 5 cards. Simply lay them out, one after the other. All you've got to do is dribble through, make sure you don't touch any card. When you get to the one end, you have to dribble back and then start again. Your partner is going to collect or see how many times you get through this course. How many times have I been through? Who's watching closely? Twice. So I have 2 marks on my piece of paper. From the stuff we've got, we can then ask questions about why they've done this, why they've done that, how they so good at passing, why do they make so many passes. So from this data, we could have an extra lesson just analysing the whole thing. Now you can keep this piece of paper, put it in your drawer, and analyse it if you want to, if it's something you're interested in.